Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 8 by 10 inch canvas, some Mead white paint that I'm using a cheesecloth to strain, and I'm going to swipe in escape if I'm lucky. Those will be my sky colors. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I'm attempting to keep my turntable from turning right at the moment, so it's broken. There's a brake on it, a box shoved in the back so that it won't turn. Although you might be able to see that. So I've got some Atelier, I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure, cell activators in colors. And I'm just beginning to experiment with them. And I might want to put a little bit more white paint across the bottom of that. And then call it good. And then I'm going to use some interference violet in my sky. I'd like to use some pixie dust too, and I'm going to hope that I'm okay with deep amethyst, pink diamond, and Chantilly lace. But I need it to mix. I think I'm going to use my smaller OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Knock off my excess on the top. And if it's still wet when I have a moment, I might blow around in there. I see there's a bubble. Bubble. I really want to blow around in it right now, to tell you the truth. It may move when I use an edge catcher anyway. Let's see if it'll move now. Let's just move it. Move it. So if I want something else, I'll go ahead and put it in there. I have some Primary Elements ginger flower. There is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video for Colour Arte products, Primary Elements, and this is green tea. That was ginger flower. I said that. Green tea is another primary element. And I think I'm going to use some more of that same purple deep amethyst combination. I'm trying to go light because it's a small canvas. This is a Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold from Golden that I like the sound of. It's very similar to the Ginger Peach, but that's okay because I like it. I'm going to use a little bit of rich Auburn, which is a Prizm pour. A little bit of Midnight Shadow, maybe. And some deep amethyst. I'm holding off for the moment on the cerulean blue, but I really want to use it. Here's the deep amethyst. So let's just grab one of my smaller spatulas, one of my smaller palette knives. And what am I going to use on there? Rich gold and some Amsterdam Black. I ordered a new palette knife, a round tip one, because I think that'll help quite a bit. So I want to do this. I want it on that side. I really want another color in there. That's the Atelier Rich Gold. That reminds me of some of those rainbow hills you see beautiful pictures of. I think they're in Peru. In any case, good reason to save it. Do I want some trees? Maybe. I really like how the green tea turned out. I wanted to tip this. And, where's my edge catcher? There we go. I'm not sure there's enough paint on there. I think I would have had to use more. But I can try it anyway. Maybe I'll just use what I get on the edge catcher to make a few trees. I could also flip it back just in case there's enough. But I like the patterns it's creating. I will actually just utilize that on the bottom, which is mostly covered now. And whatever's left will go on the edges. So let me grab a skewer, because I think that's my way to put the mountains in. That yellow part could be the sun setting easily enough. Pick up some of that midnight shadow. Drag up a few tree trunks. Now I could have a little dish beside me if you're too timid to reach into your painting and steal paint, then definitely use a little container. I don't know why I always make them straight. Trees are seldom totally straight. So I have to grab my leftover paint. And that will require a very small palette knife. I'm going to try and grab some green. Some purple. And after I put my dots of paint in, then I'll worry about what I do with them. More like mushrooms. Just let it drip and pull up a little bit. I'm focused, I'm quiet, I'm sorry. I'm going to grab a little more, add a couple more conifers. I might drop a little bead of orange in where the sunset seems to be. I'll have those go back in the distance too. That's kind of cute. I'm not sure about the sky. I think I want something else in there. What's it going to be? Passion's too loud. I've got some Cosmos. Cosmos is beautiful. And my paint is still wet on my blade. So cross your fingers for me that I can get away with this. Cosmos is, I think it's a primary element. And I'm inclined to keep using it until I get really happy with my sky. Because it will be somewhat iridescent and very shimmery and quite beautiful. And I have enough on my blade on my spatula. That's a really cute little scape. I'm going to put it over the edge. And that won't be hard to match. Oh, the top's already done. That's cool. Grab some more of that. Pop some bubbles. Throw that in the bucket. I saw those bubbles. So, bottom's covered. Not sure what that white area is over there. I could blow it out. But it might be just, you know what? I've got some more paint from another painting earlier. Maybe it's a reflection of a waterfall or something. So, cute, cute, cute. I'm good with that. Oh, you know what? I said I was going to put a sun in there and then I didn't do it. And I want to grab that now. Not much though. I'm going to take that much, which is way more than I need. Grab a skewer. Put a drop on a paint-free end. There we go. And that will probably spread out. Chances are very good, in fact. Especially if I help it. Don't know what I was thinking. But nothing ventured, nothing gained. There we go. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with just a minute left. And a desire to shiver this at you. Hoping that I can get down there fast enough. Playing fast and loose with paint. Painting upside down with a straw. Alright. This, hopefully I will run a drawing again someday, and this will probably be one of the things that are in it, I'm assuming. And my battery's going to die. We'll just zoom right down to the bottom. That's as close as I can get, I'm sorry. I want to put a little more blue over there, like back here, But otherwise, it's very shimmery and lots of fun. Thank you for joining me. I post 7 days a week, 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have over 2,600 videos, maybe even 2,700, organized by topic and genre, and you can find them by going to my channel or by asking me, because I have them organized and saved for you by the 100 and by topic and genre. And the links. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for your kind words and your compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that through PayPal that you can find on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. I might mess around with that sun until I'm really, really happy. It's kind of kitschy, but it's still cool. I like it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree underneath the video, underneath the spring clothing. You'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Gallerist, and Society 6 stuff with my art on it. And if you can't find what you like there, ask me, and use the reference hashtag that's in the title of any video. When you ask, and my email address is the place to ask. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do sell my artwork, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Look for the paint pouring recipes underneath the video. Ask questions if you'd like to in the comments, and look for tomorrow's video on the community board. You can also comment there also. Whatever I've forgotten, I'll tell you in another video. I love you. I love you much. You inspire the heck out of me. I want to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, with a little tiny landscape. See you anon, maybe tomorrow. Hopefully. Bye for now. Priscilla out.